My name is Sylvia Nduku and I'll be taking you through measurement of curved length. You see, we get curves. Curves are like on roads and they are found on maps. When you have a map, you can see like a road is going like a river. Also, rivers and roads, they go like, yes, they curve. So those ones, they are measured using a thread, and even cylinders, which cannot be measured using rulers, to get their circumference, which is like their length, we use a thread. Now we are going to do an experiment. Like here we have a cylinder, and here we have a thread which you can see. So in order to get the circumference of the cylinder, you take it round maybe twice or even thrice. So we're going to take it round twice. So it go 1 and 2. When you reach here, you can see we have this length. This is the length of that cylinder, but we call it circumference. So since sometimes when you measure it, you won't get the same answer over and over, so you may take 3 measurements. Like you may take this one. This might be either 20 and the next time may be 21. So we may add it 20 or 21, and the answer we get, we divide it by 2. So we can get the average length, because we cannot get exactly what we have to get. So we know very well that the circumference is equal to pi d. That's pi times diameter. In order to get the diameter, we're going to do circumference over pi. That's, the circumference we get, like maybe 20 over 22 over 7, or in decimal form 3.14. So since that's the diameter, and we know a radius is half a diameter, so we're going to do circumference divide 2 pi. Yes, we get that. We get the radius. Then other instruments for measuring length are micrometer, screw gauge, and Viner capillars. And that's it for now. Thank you. And is there any question?
Annette. My name is Annette. I would like to ask if there's any danger when measuring the circumference of a cylinder if you use an elastic rod.
Who knows the answer to that? Anybody? Good enough? Teresa.
My name is Teresa, and I would like to answer the question asked by Annette. The reason we don't use an elastic string is because it stretches, giving inaccurate measurements.
Correct. Yes, and that's the right answer. Thank you.
My name is Immaculate, and I'm presenting estimation of length. Estimation is comparing the size of an object with a standard measure. So, for example, a person with an average height makes stride of 1 meter. So, if you want to know for example, the length of a piece of land or a classroom, that person may walk like 30 steps, which is equals to 30 meters. So the length of the classroom is therefore approximately to 30 meters. Now, for example, if you want to measure the height of a tree, to estimate the height of a tree, you first of all, you take an object which has a standard rule. Now that object will be like about 1.5 to 2 meters. Now after that, now you look on the position of the sun, depending on that position. First of all, you place your road on the ground firmly, and then the shadow will cast onto the ground. And then you record the measurement of the road, of the shadow. After that, you know you have a tree. That tree is tall. And depending on that same time, you are going to take the height of the shadow of the tree. So therefore, you are going to conclude that the height of the tree is equal to the height of the road multiplied by the length of the shadow of the tree over the length of the shadow of the road. Does anyone have a question? Yes, Michura?
My name is Michura, and in the example you have given us, I was asking if is it really possible, or how can you measure a tall building like Times Tower or KCC?
Yes, something like Times Tower or KCC. Now who has an idea? Oh yes, Naomi.
My name is Naomi and I have the answer to Michula's question. First of all, you can measure the shadow of the road. Then after that, you can measure the shadow using a tape measure as you measure the shadow of the road. Then after that, you can measure the shadow of the building. Then after that, you can use the formula the formula you told us, which is can help me.
The length of the tree over the length of the road is equal to the length of the shadow of the tree over the length of the shadow of the road.
Yes, she's right. That's